What up, y'all? Welcome back. Got another package in, so you know what time it is. I said I was gonna do something with the engine cover. Thinking about going ahead and doing the whole entire engine bay. Just give it a little pop. So what I got here, this is gonna start it off. I ordered some. Let me pull this out. Where they at? All right, here we go. This came from Relective Concepts. Ordered it off of Amazon. So what I ordered was some reflector Hemi Decals that go on the side here. So as you can see, pull it out. And just not drop none in there. So you pretty much, you get 3 sets of the letter. Pull that back. So you got your M and your I in there. And so on, you know, you get 2 to 3 sets. I think they give you 3 sets. Let me double check. So we got 1, 2. Let's see the other one. Yeah. So just in case you mess up, they send you enough letters. So pretty much what we're gonna do is put these bad boys on. Time-lapse video or whatever. I'm gonna pull out the decals that we want. So we got that one. We'll need 2 of each. So we'll need 2 eyes. Then you're gonna need 2 E's. Then like I said, the extra one, you just put it back to the side. Then you're gonna need your H. 2 of your H's. And there you go. You wanna clean all this off. I'm gonna put y'all on a little time lapse or whatever. Or we'll just run through the video. But I'm gonna get some alcohol and stuff and clean that off real quick and put them on there. All right, so we got our rubbing alcohol here. Just get you some random rubbing alcohol. Ain't gotta be the best or anything like that. Put some on your paper towel like that. And we're just gonna clean it up. Y'all get a part that's dry so I can wipe them off when I'm done. But yeah, you don't want to be too wet, so best to fold it like that. And start rubbing them down.
Of course you're gonna have to let them dry. You about to see so much dirt come off of this, man. Look at that. But it's clean though. Then gonna do the other side, same way. Same way, clean that side. Get it all nice and good. And then after we do this, I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse. And we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys on the engine bay. Now pray that day, look at that. That's the side right there. So that's from this side. Right here, and this side from the other side. Dirty.
So yeah, so next up we got, once I show this first part, you pretty much get the process. You can pull it over here in the light. So pretty much you got this. You're gonna take it apart and you're gonna line it up. It shows you which way the H need to be. It need to be up to the top. So we're gonna place it on there, rub it, and then once it's thick, we're gonna peel it off. So pretty much what you're doing, bringing it down, putting it here, stick it on, rub it. Once it rub it real good, and then you're good. So let's go ahead and put you on time lapse. Before we go time lapse, I just think honestly, I personally think it's better just pull the cover off. Instead of trying to do it that way, just pull the cover off and bring it up. So let's go ahead and pull that cover off. And then that'll be a lot better for you, so. I should have did it in the beginning. I don't know why. But yeah, when you want to start, pull your cover out first.
Move side moves, move side moves, move side moves, move side moves. This is a CountryBoyModz production. This is a CountryBoyModz production. This is a CountryBoyModz production. This is a CountryBoyModz production.
All right, this is the finished product. As you can see, you see the Hemi over there. It's reflecting. This Durango with the lights on. It's from different angles. And that's from this side. So I'm thinking about, I don't know if I want to do this in white. I'm not sure yet, but if I want to do red, white, and then black, I don't know, but I may do this in white. Take this, put it over top of that, and design it, spray it over where it be like X's and stuff. I don't know yet. So I'm still debating on that. I scratched this up from when I was working on the radiator, but it's all right because it's gonna get painted over anyway. Same thing here, do like red, white, something like that, I don't know. It's one of those, but definitely want to have that red, the Hemi in the red. So let's see what it looks like when it's dark. See, I already got the lights on. So y'all can know it is dark, but here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looked good. See that bright red Hemi pop up. Definitely want to see if I can find this 5.7 V8 in red. I want to put that in red for sure. I want that reflective also. So I'm gonna have to look for it. I might go on a Reflective Concept site. So I ordered these from Amazon. I might go on their actual site and see if I can find all. They might have everything that I need. So might not even have to do all that. But yeah, definitely want to get this. Put this in red also. And I'm still debating on the white, the full white, which I think it may pop under this hood. I don't know yet. But yeah, as you can see, that's the Hemi. That's it from a distance. On this side. So like I said, if I can get more reflective decals like this, I'm telling you, I'm gonna make it look real good. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video, y'all. I hope I see y'all on the next one. Peace out.
If your titty is bigger than your mama's, milk some, milk some, milk something. Move side moves, move side moves, move side moves, milk it, milk it, milk it.